Hi, welcome to the Wizard of Math channel with Mr. Ahmed Abdelwaris. In this video, we will know how to find the distance between the 2 points A and D in this figure. If you know the length of BC equal 8 units, CD equal 2 units, BA equal 4 units. After beginning to find the distance, please don't forget make a like to our video, subscribe in our channel, share and comment our video to support us to solve more problems in more videos. Now we will start to find the distance between A and D. We will find the distance between A and D by two ways. First way, we will connect between A and D like this. Okay, then we will find the intersection point between AD and BC, L, and let the distance between B and L call X. Then the distance between L and C, 8 minus X. Okay. Now look at these two triangles, the first triangle and the second triangle. We will get measure of angle C equal measure of angle B equal 90 degrees, and the measure of this angle equal the measure of this angle, vertically opposite angles. Then the two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Then we can write triangle ALB similar to triangle DLC. Okay, from the similarity relation, we will get AL over DL equal LB over LC equals to BA over CD. By substituting by lengths, AL, I don't know the value of AL. DL also, I don't know that. Then this ratio is not important for us. LB equals to X and LC equals to 8 minus X. BA equals to 4 and CD equals to 2. Okay, put this ratio in the simplest form. Divided by 2 equals 2, divided by 2 equals 1. Now make a cross multiplication between these two ratios. Then 1 times X equals to X equal 2 times 8 minus X. Then X equal 2 times 8 equals 16 minus 2X. Okay, then make this negative 2X and X in the same side. Then 3X equals to 16. Then X equals to 16 over 3. Then X equal 16 over what? 3. If the length of BL equals 16 over 3, then the length of LC equal 8 minus 16 over 3. 8 equal 24 over 3 minus 16 over 3 equals to 8 over 3. Then the length of LC equal 8 over 3. Look at the first triangle, this triangle, right angled at B. We know the two sides of the right angle. Then we can find the third side by using Pythagoras theorem in the form square root of 16 over 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. Okay, and in the second triangle by using Pythagoras theorem, square root of 8 over 3 power 2 plus 2 power 2. By using our calculator, we will find 16 over 3 root, square root, 16 over 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2, that equals 16, equals to 20 over 3. Then this equals 20 over 3 plus, by using our calculator also, then square root of 8 over 3 power 2 plus 2 power 2, that equal 4, then equal 10 over 3 plus 10 over 3. Then the sum equal 30 over 3, 30 over 3, that equal 10 units. It's a first way to find the length of AC. And we have the second way to find the length of AC. By simple way, we can complete A, B, C as a rectangle like this. Okay? And to find the length of AC like this, AC, connect A by C. Look at the figure. We will find this equals to 2 units. Okay, and 4 units, then this equals to 4 units. Then we can find the length of this line segment equal 6 units. Okay, if the length of CB equal 8 units, then the length of this line segment also equals to 8 units. Now we will take this right angled triangle in this case, okay, 6 units and 8 units. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of this side, square root of 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2 equals to square root of 100 equals to 10 units. Now we find the length of AD by 2 ways. The first way by using the similarity relation, and the second way by completing the figure to a rectangle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget make like, subscribe, share and comment to our video to support us. Now we can say بس كده.